Hello, I'm Anna from Computer Science Department. I've come here to demonstrate on the program infix to postfix. I've declared the header files and I've declared a string file also, and I have used the namespace as std, and the main aim of the program is to convert the infix expression to a postfix expression, and this is the function which is used to convert it, that is string infix to postfix. Inside the brackets I've given string expression, that is a function, and then the next line is also a function, that is to verify whether an operator has higher precedence over the other one. So I've used int as higher precedence. I've used two characters, that is operator 1 and operator 2, and then I've used another function here, that is boo1 and boo1, that is as the boolean 1. The function to verify whether a character is operator symbol or not. I've used is an operator, and the function given is character C, and then the next one is also same like that way. The same function is used, that is to verify a character is an alphabetic alphanumeric character, whether like letters and the numerical digits or not. And then here comes the main function. Into the main function I've declared expression in the string, and I've given the output statement as enter the infix expression the user wants to enter, and then I've given a get line data to go get the data from the function and come and return it back. So get line I've given cin expression, and I've given string postfix is equals to infix to postfix. The expression will be in the braces and the output should be given. And next I have used a function, that is to evaluate the postfix expression and return the output. This function, that is infix to postfix, inside a string expression is used to evaluate the postfix expression. And then I have declared a stack, that is from a standard template library file in C++. I've used stack as a library file. I've given inside a character s, and I've used a string postfix. This is to initialize a postfix as an empty string, and then I've used a for loop there. So the loop goes like this: int I is equal to 0 and I is less than or equal to I is less than expression and comma its length, the I plus plus, and this is for scanning each character from the left. If the character is delimiter, then it will move on. So I've used another loop, that is if that is expression of I. I've used a or condition, that is like it will check if the expression of I is equal to thing, then it will display. If it is not equal, the or condition will check and it will display the other one. And then I've given you continue statement to continue the iteration. And then the next one is if the character is an operator, pop two elements from stack, perform operation and push the result back. That is if condition is to tell whether it's whether character is the delimiter. The else or condition is to check whether character is an operator. So operator means the condition is operator expression of that I. And I've used another while loop condition inside, that is it's not equal to s, that is into empty, and s into top, and which has a higher precedence, that is inside the function I've given s into top and expression of I. And inside the conditions are postfix plus is equals to s into top and s into pop. And I've entered the statement with the function s into push expression of I. So that will tell you whether the character is an operator. So when it is told that the character is an operator, an element, that is two elements, will be popped out from the stack and the operation will perform, and then it will push the result. And then the else statement is an operand. Yeah, as I told you previously, it's an operand. So we have the same condition here. So the condition of here is postfix plus is equals to expression of I, and else if it is equal to that braces, so you'll have s dot push expression of I. I've used a nested looping else if statement here to check whether each and every single element there given is an operand or a character. When it is telling an operand, so it is performing this function. So then a loop comes. So s into empty, s of top. So postfix plus is equals to s into top and s into top. The same conditions were used even for that, whether to check whether it is a delimiter or what. And then I've written the postfix, and then function to verify whether a character is an English letter or a numeric digit. We are assuming in this solution that operand will be a single character. So we are giving that boolean 1 no we declared as a function there in the first. So we are going to use that. It's an operator, so the character C will be taken. So the condition we have used 3 if statements, that is C is less than or equal to O is an character, that is an alphabet, and C is less than or equal to 9. So we have given like 0 to 9 numbers can be taken, small a to small z can be taken, capital A to capital Z can be taken, and return true is to return the statement whether it's true or not. If it's not true, return false is given. So function to verify whether a character is an operand symbol or not. These conditions we have used under the boolean 1 to check whether it is an alphabet or numeric. The second boolean function is to check whether the operator is a symbol or not. So the symbols are like plus, minus, a multiplication symbol, division, and the dollar symbol. If it's true, it will return true. If it's false, it will return as false. And then we have used a function to verify whether an operator is a right associative or not. So we are giving int is right associative. Character can be the optional OP, and the optional right associative is a dollar symbol, because we know these all are the normal operators, but dollar symbol is a right associative operator. So we are giving that in a separate function. And then we are giving a function to get the weight of an operator if the operator with the higher weight will have the higher precedence. We are giving inside a switch case, that is int weight is equal to -1. So we are initializing the weight as -1. We are using a switch case there, that is switch OP. Case 1 is the plus, case 2 is minus, that is weight is equals to 1. Then case 3 is multiplication, then case 4 is division. So instead of giving 1, 2, 3, 4, we are giving, instead of 1, we are giving as plus. So case plus, then case minus, case multiplication, case division, and case dollar symbol. And we are going to return the weight there. And we have used a function to perform an operation and a return output. So it has a function as higher precedence. So which has higher precedence? We know we have learned board mass. So according to that, each and every first operator will be taken into the first higher precedence. So we are using two operators, that is operator 1 and operator 2 in the character. And int operator 1 of weight is equals to get the operator weight of OP1. The same goes even for OP2. If the operators have equal precedence, return true if they are left associative, return false if they are right associative. So that is a condition what we have used here in the if looping. If the operator is a left associative, left one should be given priority. So if OP1 weight is equal to OP2 weight, the if condition should be equal of both the weights of operator to 1 and 2. Then the if statement again is, if it is right associative of OP, return false or else return true. Then we are going to return the statement as OP1 weight of OP2, whether it is true or false. So infix to postfix is an application of implementation of stack. Now let's see the output. So enter our infix expression. I am giving into the braces A plus B plus C. I am giving a division symbol here. I am giving this 2 into a braces C into, I am given other variable, that is I am giving D into E. So see the output. A, B, it considered the it is considering the higher precedence for whichever digit. It is checking whether which is a character, whether the character is an operand, whether the character is the alphabet, whether it is a right associative or left whether it is a left associative. If it is a left associative, then the left digit is giving the much a priority, and then you get the output here. So this is the end of the program. Thank you.